Here's the question. You guys are nerding out on Magic the Gathering.
Valerie!
Hey!
Okay, listen. There are 30 cows in a field.
30 cows in the field.
28 chickens.
28 chickens in the field.
Loki looks happy.
How many
Where are the chickens?
Where are the chickens?
Okay, there are 30 cows in the field.
30 cows in the field. 28 chickens where?
28 chickens.
Okay.
How many didn't?
How many didn't what?
That's the question.
What? How many didn't what?
The answer is yes.
30 cows
No,
in the
like,
field.
How many?
28 chickens.
Hey!
How many didn't?
28 of the cows are chicken, so how many didn't do something? Probably the 28.
That's why she didn't answer what the chickens were.
Yeah, because they're not chickens. The cow, 28 of the 30 chickens are, 28 of the 30 cows are chicken. And when you say how many didn't, didn't means that
28.
some did and some didn't.
Yeah, but they're all chicken. 28
Who
chicken.
wouldn't would be
28.
the chickens, which is 28.
No,
Okay.
incorrect.
Okay.
Think about it again.
I don't.
There's an answer.
There is an answer.
I want to know the answer.
"30 cows in the field.
30 cows in the field.
28 chickens. How many didn't?"
How many didn't?
It's actually an English question. Think of it like that.
Answer is yes.
No. There's a numerical answer
What is the
to
numerical
the English.
answer? I give up. What's the numerical answer?
Okay. 28
Chickens.
chickens. Okay. 8 and 8. Now give me the answer. 8 and 8.
28 and 8, and it's now 8 and 8?
10.
No, 8 is...
Omar! You got it.
I got it.